Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the can't trade problem on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. Click on Steam and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up your main configuration area where you can adjust various aspects of your Steam account. In the Settings window, you'll see a left panel with different categories. Click on Security to access your account protection features. This is where you'll manage important settings that affect your trading capabilities and overall account safety. Now click on Manage Steam Guard. This security feature is essential for trading on Steam, and having it disabled is one of the most common reasons why users can't complete trades. Go ahead and enable your Steam Guard if it isn't already activated. This authentication system protects your account and is required by Steam before you can trade items with other users. Keep in mind that if your Steam account has had a recent email or password change, Steam may temporarily restrict trading as a security measure. This is completely normal, and the restriction will lift automatically after a short period. It's Steam's way of ensuring your account hasn't been compromised. Another common issue is that some users require you to be friends before trading. Make sure you're friends with the other person if necessary. To add someone as a friend, go back to the upper left corner and click on Friends. From the menu that appears, select Add a Friend. You'll see a designated field where you can enter your friend code. Type it in and click Send Invite to send them a friend request. Next, there's one more critical setting you need to check. In the upper right corner, click on your username and select View My Profile from the drop-down menu. Once your profile loads, you'll see an option in the right panel. Click on Edit Profile to access your profile customization options. In the left panel of the Edit Profile section, click on Privacy Settings. This is where you control who can see different aspects of your Steam account. Look for the Inventory option. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and select Public. This setting is crucial because if your inventory is set to private or friends only, other users won't be able to see your items or initiate trades with you. With these changes applied, your trading restrictions should be resolved. You've now enabled Steam Guard, checked your friend status, and made sure your inventory is publicly visible. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.